Today I am going to show you how to add sharing button on your page and post in WordPress. So basically it's very easy to do it. Let's say start to create firstly one post. So I am going inside the post section and just I will click on add new. Okay, now I am creating one post here. So I will keep title like demo. And inside this content I will just copy some lorem ipsum content and paste here, and now I am click on publish. So it's published now. So basically now I will go back again and just I will reload this post section again. So you can see I already created this post. Okay, I will click on view. Just see this post. Just see carefully on my post section. So inside here there is no any sharing button. Okay, so here is no not sharing button. You can see here in the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Gmail icons. So this is not sharing icons. This is the linking icon. You can link your Facebook page, Twitter page, Instagram. These all pages you can link here directly to visit users. Okay. And now I'm going to show you that how you can add share button. Like if you anybody want to share this post with friend, family, anybody, then they can share easily on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, anywhere. Okay, so let's start. So just see again, go back inside the dashboard section and just click on plugin, add new. Now just click inside the search option and search here add to any share. Now see, that one is the second option, add to any share. First is the WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is the different topics that is used for e-commerce, and add to a share buttons. This one is the second by add to any. Okay, so you can see just you need to install this one. So installing is completed. Now I will click on activate. So now you can see this plugin is activated. Okay, so basically firstly I need to manage the customize section of this plugin. So you need to just hover your mouse on setting and you can see here option add to any. Just I will click here on add to any, and now I can see all functionality of add to any plugins. So now I can customize these all things like icon styles. So what is the icon styles means what is the icon size, that is the 32 pixels. So you can increase or decrease anything. Okay, that is the original background. You don't need to change anything, just keep it same. And you can see here is a shares button, which icons you want to use on your page and post to share. Okay, like Facebook, Twitter and email is already selected. So if you want to select more than 3 icons, then just you click on this box, add or remove services. So now see, here is a lots of icons. You need to select according to your choice which icons you want to keep here and which icons you want to remove. Suppose that I want to keep WhatsApp, Pinterest, and like suppose that Gmail. Okay, so now you need to directly click on any icon that will be added here, and if you want to remove any icons from this listing, then just you need to click again on that same icon. Suppose that I want to remove this email, I want to keep Gmail. Okay, but I want to remove email. So now you can see here is the email. I will click here, then it will be removed automatically. Just see. Okay, so basically after selecting this one, just scroll down And now you can see here is the universal button. So just click on that drop down. You can see here the image URL, text URL, none, show count. It means that this plugins will be updated, and when you will use this plugin on your page and post, there will be display this icon with plus symbol like this icon. Okay, this plus symbol will be also appear here. It means that they on post or page, their user can click on this plus icon and they can select any different sharing buttons. Okay, and they can share. But now if you want to disable this one, then you need to click on none and just click on OK. Alright, and now scroll down, you can see sharing header. So just click here, and here you can write your message, that which message you want to display there for before the sharing buttons. Like suppose that I want to write here, share with your friends. So I'm writing here, share with your friends. This is the titles. Now just see here placement locality of these icons, that where you want to display this icon for sharing. Display at the bottom of the post. You can manage here top, bottom, top and bottom both. Okay, so you can manage anywhere of the this is only for post, just see. And now display at the bottom of the post and the front page. So this is the front page. Yeah, you can display this icon on the front page of the post, and display at the bottom of the post on archive, display on the bottom of the post in the feed, display at the bottom of the excerpt, display at the bottom of the page, display at the bottom of the media page. So this one option is the for page, and this all option is for post. So you can check these all things. Otherwise I will recommend you that you need to just uncheck this one excerpt, and just uncheck this one also feed. Okay, and just uncheck this one also media page. Now you can see this only three options will be checked, and this first option will be checked because this is the locality, that where you want to display, bottom or top or both. Okay, and now this one is the menu option, so you don't need to do anything inside this menu options. Additional JavaScript, additional CSS, advanced options, just you need to skip these all options. Now you need to click on save changes. So just see this options is updated, and now this icon is updated on my post. So I will go back again on my post section, and you can see here is not sharing button. Now I am going to reload this post, and just see here will be appeared sharing option. Okay, so just see. Alright, so it's updated. Now just I will scroll down, and just you can see here, share with your friend. This is the title, it's displaying here, and now here is the icon appeared. Okay, so you can see here is not plus icons of add to any share. Okay, because I fixed these all 5 icons for sharing: Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Pinterest and Gmail. So if anybody want to share this post with friend or family anywhere, they can directly click on the choices and they can share easily. Okay, so basically if you want to add more icon here and you want to display the plus symbols also, then just go back inside the setting and just click on inside your universal button, just click here. Now click on this one radio button plus, and just click on save changes. Alright, it's updated. Now I'm going to update this one. See, so here you can see this plus icon is appeared here of the add to any share plugin. Now if anybody want to share with something different icons on social network, then they can need to click on this plus, and here will be appeared all icons. Okay, just see. So these all icons is appeared here, and they can select anything. Suppose that I am selecting WeChat, so this one is the WeChat will be open here. Okay, now I need to log in this WeChat section, and then I can share easily. Okay, so that's what is the process. So I hope guys that you understand that how you can add this sharing by options on your post or page. Same things, this is the process for a post, and this same process will be followed for page also. So just see, I'm going to show you very fastly, so just focus on my screen. I'm going inside the page section, and just see here is the about us blog. Here is a lots of pages, so I will just click on view of about, and now I can show you there is with appeared sharing button. Just see, this one is the about. So see, here is also displaying these all things, sharing options. So guys, I hope you understand that how you can add sharing sharing options inside your page or post in the WordPress. It's very easy and it's very simple. So I hope you understand. If you have any doubts and you want to understand in details with some another plugins and you want to use the custom codes here also, then just try to do comments, or you can visit on my portfolio section also, www.navinpandey.in, and then you can book your session also. Okay, so I hope guys you understand. So just enjoy this session, and I hope that you will like, share and subscribe these channels. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icons also to get the latest notification. Okay, so see you in next session. Bye, take care.